Hello my beauty, welcome back to my channel. Ruby here. So today you guys, I have used this eyeshadow one time since I bought it from the UK. So today I am going to do another eye look at this eyeshadow palette, which is Tudor London Color Icon eyeshadow and is After Dusk. So I'm going to just apply one color on my eyes today, and I'm just gonna apply the purple on my eyes. So I'm using these brush. I bought these brush in the UK also, and I'm using them. So I'm just gonna use a purple color to show you. If you don't want to use a lot of color on your eyes, you can just apply one to your eye, which is, you know, when we are growing up in age, you know, some people ask, why do I wear makeup? But it's something that I love. I don't wear makeup every day. I just do makeup once in a while, you guys. Just once in a while I wear makeup. If I'm gonna do a video, I'll do it. Or if I'm going outside, I would like to put on a little bit of makeup. I think it does enhance my face, and that's what I like. Because sometimes, you know, sometimes I'm home and I'm a bit stressed, and sometimes when I get to wear a little makeup or put on a little, I feel much better. Like, you know, it's just something that I really love, you guys. I may not wear it every day, but I do love my makeup. And especially with the heat, I'm trying not to you see, I talk about the heat. I have this fan here that I also bought from Timo, and it helped to cool me down. It's helped just really to cool me down. It have a card so you can charge it, but you also put battery in it, right? So yeah, as I was saying, you don't have to go with a lot of product. If you just want to go with a natural look or just a one color eye look for your eyes, do what suits you. And you can see how beautiful this color look here that I'm applying it to my eyes. And I'm not going to really like apply anymore to my eyes. I'm just using the one color, which blend out really pretty and the eyes. So that's what I'm doing. And then I like to apply a little bit of eyeshadow on my underneath my eyes, although I know that my eyes easy to run water. But when I have a good day like now, I will try it, right? But if I don't, I don't. And right now I'm having a good day, so I'm going to try it. Hopefully it doesn't and this is just something that is very easy for you to wear when you're going out, especially if you are a senior and you don't like a lot of makeup. These are things that are very good to use. And you can also I'm gonna try a bit of this color also on my lip to change my lip color. So I'm gonna try a little bit of the eyeshadow here on my lip to just change my lip color. So this is something that really help if you are a senior and you're just looking for just a simple makeup look. This is it. And I'm going to just apply some to my lip here. So you're changing the lip a bit. Make sure you put on a lip gloss or something before you apply it, so that it doesn't make your lip look one way. And once you do that, look at me, you are ready to go. So I'm just gonna apply a small amount of mascara to my top lid, and this one is the Essence what a fake. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit to my eye here, to my upper lash. I mean, the other day when I was traveling, I paid $65, you guys, to do my lash, and like I wasn't really even happy with it. Even happy, and I would never do that again. Sorry, I prefer to put on my lash myself and go where I want to go. But I would never pay anybody unless it's gonna be done really properly. Then I'll do that. But if not, I'm not going to do that. I would never do that. So this is my simple eye look for mature eyes. If you're going out and you don't want to put on a lot of makeup, just apply one color. I like vibrant color, and I think this is really beautiful. So I just use this one color on my lid here. I use this one on my lid, and I also use it underneath my eye there. This is the color that I use from Studio London color icon eyeshadow palette After Dusk. You guys, this is really of a beautiful eyeshadow palette for the eyes, and I love it. If you can see, I haven't got any fallout from it. It just worked really nicely. So I want to say thank you again, and if you are not sub, please subscribe, turn on notification bell, that when I do upload a video you can be notified. I'm in a good mood today. You can see the smile I do. Thank you again, guys. God bless you, and I will see you soon. Bye.